So what's going on with BBIG? When the price go at least around the $5.50 and beyond the $10 and the 20, and why we see an hold up? We have a volume dropping, of course, and what we should expect if you waiting for cryptid dividends, you have to know this, really important. So let's get right to it and see the price action for BBIG. So last time we talked about in our pre-market update on Patreon and the 6th of May, when the price went pre-market up, what we suggest that the price will go down to test the exponential average here above the $3, then hold and spike up again. Okay, this has happened before. However, we did the video again. What we said when the price went down, we said we're gonna fill the gap, and the price filled the gap perfectly as we anticipated. So right now we have to discuss the fundamental before we go truly on the technical and see what's gonna happen in the price action. Let's discuss something important. So if you watching the dividends for cryptid and you're loading up on BBIG right now, you have to know this. So sometimes a company pays dividends in form of stock rather than cash. So if you sell your stock before the ex-dividend date, you also are selling away your right to the stock dividends. What's that mean? Simply, if someone wants to receive a tied shares, that person can sell their BBIG until after they receive their dividends. So be careful, okay? And the second thing, look at this list. We have many stocks in green, and the red, yes, they don't have a dividend share coming up, except BBIG is down 2%. What's the reason of that? Because of the volume. The volume is like the blood for the stock. Just consider this and picture this. If there is no volume, there is no oxygen to fuel the price to go up. So that's why the volume is a bit down. However, the good thing is for BBIG that is still holding, and the short interest change is increasing. You see, 8%. However, we're still holding. What's that mean? That means there's a big buying from a lot of investor for cryptid dividends that will happen in just under 6 days. Yes, 6 days to have the dividends for cryptid. That's why we see the price holding up. And even yesterday, a lot of stock went crazy down 20%, 60%, and the price hold for BBIG and didn't went crazy down. So right now we held the gap that we did here. What we should expect, as we said before, we need to hold above this level of ascending line. You see, every time we bounce from it, we have a buying pressure, and we jumped. That happened lately around the 27th of April, and then we hit with double top that we talked about in the last video. So what we should expect now, holding this gap will confirming that we have buying pressure there, and confirming that this is a price value for current condition for BBIG until the dividend for cryptid, the price ignition for a massive volatility, from my opinion, would be the $3.80. Just wait for this price. Will be a crazy turning point for BBIG. If we hold this ascending line and this gap, will be a turning point here around the $3.80. Let me just close up because a lot of you using your phone right now, and can you see the number? I get this a lot. So here the $3.80 should be the squeeze area. If we hold for our candle, we're gonna see a test around the $5.37. Around this area, we're gonna see another rejection and a bit of profit taken for a lot of investors. Just expect this. This is normal for stock to reverse and have a not sell off, but gravitating down because hitting like a resistance. Mean resistance is mean profit taken will be triggered, and psychological level being tested before will be tested again before the price will hit a new time high. As you can look here for undervalued stock I have, we have a lot. UBST went crazy down 56%, and Amazon is right now going below the 2,200 around the 2000. So this is just mark this price as well for Amazon. I already put my notification around the 2000 will be a psychological level to hold after this gap down, be a nice supporter for Amazon to load up. And again, this will be really interesting to load up with the free share as well from Momo, free share for Amazon, just 59 hours left to get your free Amazon share with my link, exclusive link for you guys, and another 5 free stock on Momo. So again, hopefully that was informative. If you have any question, let me know in comment section below. As always say, let the price come to you, never run after the price. In this current market condition, a lot of people feel emotional. So the best idea is think about your strategy. Our strategy is buying around the support, selling around the resistance. Simple, of course, however, is crucial to make money in the market. So don't forget to hit the notification button so you never miss our future update for Bbig, because we're gonna do update daily before the dividends for Cryptide. 6 days left, and see you in the next update.